Have you thought about leaving? It's been over a year and things really aren't going well. Over there, you can earn in dollars, and there's no future here.
We were brought up thinking that to earn in a foreign currency, we had to move abroad. And maybe that was true, but that was back in our parents' and grandparents' day. Honestly, just like going abroad is an opportunity for a better future, so is learning a valuable skill that lets you work 100% remotely. There are companies actively looking for talent to help with their day-to-day operations, whether that's creating content, building apps, or being an AI expert. There's a huge opportunity out there today. There are hundreds of skills you can do remotely, and just like it's worth the effort to leave the country for a better future, maybe it's also worth looking at this as an option. I mean, I'm telling you this as a guy with no college degree who works as a software developer right from home here in Oxapampa. So yeah, maybe there's a great opportunity with AI. So what are you waiting for?